how to track your spending in YNAB. So if you have created a budget and categories inside of YNAB and you're trying to know the exact spending amount that you have for each expense, you can easily track it from the plan section, which you can find on the top right if you tap on this edit plan option. Now inside of this, it's going to show you your monthly target and your monthly income. If you also want your monthly target to show on the top, make sure you add in your monthly income so that it can show you the progress bar. In order to track your expenses, you just need to create these expense tabs so that you can fill in dollar amounts. So for example, if you tap on add target for any expense that you have, you can add in this monthly target that you want to spend on this particular expense. So add in the amount that you want to spend on this expense and then tap on done. Tap on save target, and as soon as I do that, the monthly targets now have increased and is near almost half the monthly income. So this way, whenever you add expenses to any particular categories, your monthly targets rate will increase. So this way you'll be able to know your exact spending and will be able to track your spending inside of YNAB. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.